as producers, we often wake up in the middle of the night craving microwave cake. I will show you the most delicious, simple recipe. If you crave microwave cake, follow this. Start off with a bowl and 4 tablespoons of flour.
Sugar, 4 tablespoons.
Now for the chocolatey part, cocoa powder.
2 tablespoons.
Next up, an egg, crack it in there.
Milk, 4 tablespoons.
And an equal amount of oil. Now I'm using sunflower oil because it's a neutral oil. Now grab a whisk and whisk vigorously. Now you might have the urge to eat it now. Don't. Hold back and wait. Take your bowl, put it in the microwave. 3 minutes, 1000 watts. Wait. Okay, this is what I made, chef. It's not even fucking cooked! What is this? Fuck off out of here, you donkey! What are you doing? Fuck off! Okay, chef. Fuck me. Now take your bowl, place it on your board, grab a plate. Grab a fork and run it along the edge of the bowl. Flip it. Now lift your bowl. And that's your basic cake.
Icing sugar.
And that is the perfect midnight microwave cake. Fucking delicious.